kú dídí àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí.
Yo, what's up, everybody? They call me Mr. P. Yo, what up, people? They call me Rude Boy. P Square, we're coming live on the 20.
You go see danger, wahala dey. Almost see danger, wahala dey. On a normal day, mi ò kí n dá sí family matter. But I know Peter máa ṣe mí o.
My people. The call Mr. P àti Rude Boy o.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà. kò jẹ́ tuntun mọ́ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti wá sí ìdánudúró mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ dájúdájú pé mo tẹ̀lé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dé láti ibìkan dé ibìkan. ohun tí mo wá fẹ́ fàyọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó jẹ́ àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tó ṣe pàtàkì tí mo rí wípé àwọn èèyàn lè rí dìmú nínú ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn gbajúgbajà olórin P Square, Paul Okoye, Jude Okoye àti Peter Okoye. oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀kọ́ ló dìrọ̀ mọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn. tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. ẹ jẹ́ nǹkan kan mọ́ láti bí yìí náà. ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ ìyá kò túmọ̀ sí wípé kò lè sí ọ̀dàlẹ̀ láàrin yín o. ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ bàbá kan náà ìyẹn ò túmọ̀ sí wípé àní rẹ́ni láàrin yín tí ó sì máa hùwà Júdásì láàrin yín àbí kó ṣe ohun tí yóò ṣe é ní ìjàmbá. ẹ gba inú kan wáyé kò túmọ̀ sí wípé àyànmọ́ kan náà lẹ́yìn ọ̀hún kódà ẹ lè jọ máa rìnrìn àjò. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní àwòfẹ́lẹ́ bonú kò jẹ́ ká rí inú aṣebi imú níkà kò jẹ́ ká gbóòórùn aṣebi. ọ̀rọ̀ Peter àti Paul àti Jude ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó kàn mí lóminú nítorí mo rí àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ kan dìmú níbẹ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́yìn ènìyàn kẹ́ rí ẹ̀kọ́ náà dìmú. nǹkan lẹ́ẹ̀kejì òun ni wípé obìnrin mo kí lọ́lá o mo kí lọ́lá fún ìrìn àjò tó rìn láàrin ìjì àwọn ọmọ ìyá kan náà. tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ṣáìdì ọ̀dọ̀ Peter ẹ máa realize pé ìyàwó rẹ̀ lọ́lá yìí ó la nǹkan kọjá púpọ̀. ó tún wá jẹ́ Yorùbá tí kì í ṣe ara wọn tí wọ́n wá láti ẹ̀yà Ìgbò. èmi gbé fún ẹ o nítorí pé láti survive irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn it takes the grace of God. mo gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn débi tí Paul àbí Peter ti sọ débi wípé ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ìbí wọn lọ́lá máa celebrate àwọn méjèèjì. kí ló wá bá bọ̀ níbi tó ti ń celebrate àwọn méjèèjì kí ni Paul fi sán Peter sọ lẹ́nu ara rẹ̀ èyí tí ó fa ohun tí Peter fi sọ dímọ̀ pé òun ti yí ọjọ́ ìbí òun padà o nítorí gbogbo ọjọ́ yìí ó tún máa ń rú àwọn nǹkan jáde ni. obìnrin tí Peter fẹ́ lọ́lá ló ń gbìyànjú láti ṣe àtúnṣe ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo àtúnṣe rẹ̀ pàbó ló ń já sí. fún gbogbo obìnrin tó wà nínú ìgbéyàwó tó ń try láti settle marriage ẹ̀ tó ń try láti yànnàná àwọn kankan kó má bàa dàbí pé òun fa èèyàn kan sẹ́yìn nínú mọ̀lẹ́bí àbí òun rólé apá kan dápá kan sí kó rí ẹ̀kọ́ dìmú látara ohun tí lọ́lá là kọjá nínú ìgbésí ayé àwọn P Square. nǹkan tí mo tún fẹ́ mẹ́nubà tó jẹ́ ohun pàtàkì òun ni wípé Jude Okoye, Peter Okoye, Paul Okoye ẹ rántí àwọn ọmọ yín o torí èní kọ́ torí ọ̀la ni. ohun tá a bá ṣe lónìí ọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn ní bọ́dọ̀lá èèyàn ogún ọdún a máa gbóná fẹ́lifẹ́li. mo rí àwọn nǹkan kan dìmú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tí Peter sọ tí mo wá fi ronú dórí àwọn ọmọ wọn wípé tí nǹkan yìí bá ń lọ ó ṣeéṣe kó ṣe ìpalára fún ọjọ́ iwájú àwọn ọmọ yìí nítorí nǹkan ti deep gan o nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. àdúrà oníkálukú ni wípé kí àtúnṣe wáyé. tẹ́ bá rí Peter ohun tó gbomijé lójú ẹ̀ tó tún fi ń tẹnumọ́ pé láíláí kò sóhun tó jọ òun gbọ́dọ̀ bá ọ̀rọ̀ yìí débi tó lápẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. ẹ wo èmi á kàn sọ fún àwọn méjèèjì àti ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn wípé kí wọ́n ṣe kíni kí wọ́n fi ọgbọ́n àti òye tó ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pẹ̀lú bí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ yìí èmi ò tẹ̀rí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó lè yanjú anytime soon torí bí mo ṣe ń tẹ̀lé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mo rí wípé ó dà pé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jọwọ́ ìyá àjà ni o ó dà bí season film ní tẹ́nikẹ́ni ò mọbi tó padà máa yọrí sí ipa ìyá láyé ẹni ẹ wo nígbà tí ìyá wọn wà láyé ẹ wo bí ìyá wọn ṣe ń gbìyànjú láti rí wípé àárín àwọn ẹni wọ̀nyí ó tò púpọ̀ púpọ̀ dúró ẹ̀ mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún gbogbo àwọn òbí alágbàdọ́ ẹ mọ ojúṣe yín lórí àwọn ọmọ ẹ má fi ìkan kẹ́kan ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀ kó wà balance láàrin àwọn ọmọ yín tẹ bá rí i pé ẹ suspect kankan ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ bọ́ sí àyè ẹ fìlẹ̀ àyè yẹn ẹ rántí nǹkan tí Peter sọ wípé ó di time kan ìyá wọn ló ṣe manager wọn nígbà tí ìyá wọn wá jáde kúrò láyé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Peter Paul Jude Okoye ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó fẹnu ó kẹnu ó deep nítorí pé ìyá wọn náà kó ipa láti rí pé kí gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyí kó ní ìyanjú mo lè sọ pé lórí wàhálà yìí ló dàbí pé ìyá náà lọ sí ẹ ti wá rò ti àwọn ìyá yín ẹ wá sọ ọ́ di ohun tó jẹ́ pé ìyá ti lọ nìyẹn ó ti lọ náà nìyẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú nínú tá a kù sí yìí Peter sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá ipa tí ìyá rẹ̀ kó ẹ wo ohun tí Paul fi dá lóhùn ó ní ìyá òun kò sí láyé kó wá defend gbogbo ohun tí Peter sọ imagine mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ nǹkan kan dájú pé a kì í lọ sílé ẹjọ́ ká wá di ọ̀rẹ́ o bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe ń lọ ó kàn mí lóminú púpọ̀ ohun tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ dájú ni pé kí ni ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí owó ni greedy ìmọ̀tara ẹni nìkan bámbámu ni mo yó mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ebi ń pa ọmọ ẹlòmíì ó wá tún jẹ́ láàrin ẹbí kan ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́ bí Peter ṣe analyse àwọn kìnìyàn from part 1 dé part 8 pẹ̀lú evidence pẹ̀lú àwọn nǹkan tí òun mọ̀ wípé ó lè ti òun lẹ́yìn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀rí ibi tọ́rọ̀ wá dé dúró yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wọn tẹ́ fẹ́ dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ rò dáadáa o ẹ rò dáadáa nítorí àti dá sí irúfẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó gba ọgbọ́n ó gba ìmọ̀ ó dẹ̀ gba òye púpọ̀ púpọ̀ nítorí wípé nígbà ayé P-Square àwọn méjèèjì la fẹ́ràn àwọn méjèèjì la ń rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí P-Square láì mọ̀ wípé nǹkan kan ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ọjọ́ ti pẹ́ ta ló wá fà á bí story yẹn ṣe lọ ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn Jude Okoye òun ni igi wọ́rọ́kọ́ ti da iná rú òun ló mú gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí wáyé tó fi di wípé ó yọrí síbi tó yọrí sí yìí ẹ má gbàgbé pọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe wà nílé ẹjọ́ ẹ wo Peter ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ ẹ wo Paul ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ lásìkò yìí ẹ̀yin tá a lẹ fẹ́ wá gbèsè bí rọ́bà lọ lógún ọdún ọjọ́ kan títọ́ àdìbà mo tún wá fẹ́ sọ nǹkan kan kí n tó gbàgbé wípé mọ tó bá tẹ̀ ká 100% nínú ìwé gbìyànjú kó mọ díẹ̀ kàwé díẹ̀ ní ìmọ̀ kíkún nípa ti iṣẹ́ tó yàn láàyò má skip àwọn stage kan nínú iṣẹ́ tó yàn láàyò yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ilẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ mọ gbogbo ohun tí ó wà nínú iṣẹ́ tó yàn láàyò tí fún tẹ̀dọ̀ iṣẹ́ yẹn mọ̀ dáadáa torí pé tí ògo rẹ̀ bá dé wọn ò ní fi kùrùkùrù wọn ò ní fi bò ẹ́ lójú ìwọ náà mọ̀ tún yàtọ̀ sósì lórí iṣẹ́ yìí ẹ rántí Jùmọ̀kẹ́ oní bread ó tó di wípé Ọlọ́run dá ìgbà padà fún ẹ mọ nǹkan tó là kọjá ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ interview yẹn náà látàrí pé kò ní ìmọ̀ kíkún tó nípa ti iṣẹ́ modeling tí wọ́n gbélé lọ́wọ́ ní ìgbà náà ṣùgbọ́n ojú òun náà padà là torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe ń tẹnumọ́ pé ẹ ní ìmọ̀ kíkún nípa iṣẹ́ tẹ́ bá ń ṣe ẹ kà á dáadáa tí wọ́n bá ti gbé ìwé kan wá sí iwájú yín ẹ mọ ohun tí ẹ gbọ́n yẹ́bẹ́yẹ́bẹ́ ẹ mọ ohun tó wà nínú ẹ̀ ẹ ro ọjọ́ iwájú ohun tí wọ́n gbé lé yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ ro ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ náà yóò padà yọrí sí ẹ kò má tọwọ́ bọ ìwé lásán torí ọ̀rọ̀ P-Square yìí ó tún jẹ́ kí n rí nǹkan dìmú nípa nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí lóòótọ́ gbogbo akọ́lá láǹfààní láti lọ ilé ìwé ṣùgbọ́n tátàtà tó bá gbọ́ náà ṣe àmúlò rẹ̀ lọ́nà tó ní ìtumọ̀ lórí àwọn nǹkan kan àti níbikíbi tó bá bá ara rẹ̀. Gbìyànjú bí ò bá tẹ̀ yí ẹ fi lọ ẹlòmíì. Ọ̀rọ̀ P-Square ó deep gan o, ẹ̀kọ́ tó wà ń bẹ̀ pọ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí Peter ṣàlàyé yìí mo lanu mi ò lè pàdé mọ́ nígbà tó dé stage kan. Okùn ọmọ ìyá ò gbọ́dọ̀ já, ṣé kò ti wá já báyìí? Ẹ wo, àwọn èèyàn kan sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ fi ti ara yín gbọ́, torí pé àbálá máa ń kó dànù àkínkálàbà dànù. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá lè rí nǹkan dìmú gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀kọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn P-Square yìí àti ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn Jude, dìmú o fún àǹfààní ara rẹ ni, torí èní kọ́ torí ọ̀la ni. Ẹjọ́ ọmọ ìyá kò ní kí wọ́n má dalẹ̀ yín o, kò ní pẹ́ má dalẹ̀ ara yín. Kò lè burú títí kó má pẹ́ nìkan mọ́ ni, ẹni tó má kù mọ́ ni làwọn mọ̀. Ẹ wo, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ènìyàn. Gbogbo ohun tí ẹ bá rí sí ẹ bá mi fi ránṣẹ́ sábẹ́ comment section.
On a normal day mi ò kí ń dá sí family matter, but àánú Peter máa ṣe mí o. Wow, ọmọ yẹn gba nǹkan mọ́ra gan-an.
Please, I want to ask you people, I have 1 million naira to send to anybody that can go on Google and find any time I posted a tweet or Instagram or Facebook or wherever, any defamatory whatever on Peter's wife. Please, the first person to send that thing to me on my DM will win 1 million naira.
Orí Jude ti dàrú, àbí orí Judas ti dàrú. Fìlà rẹ̀ bí apẹ̀tọ̀ tí ó ṣe bí bẹ́ntì gan yẹn. Ẹ wo adúrú bí Peter ṣe tú iṣu dé sálẹ̀ kòkò. Adúrú nǹkan báyìí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lákàtà yín. Ìyá máa jẹ Peter o. Mo ti dọ́jì tọ́pìkì yìí dọ́jì ẹ̀ títí. Ṣùgbọ́n tí mo bá ti kọjú síbi kan báyìí lórí social media, ọ̀rọ̀ Peter àti Paul ni. Tí mo bá tún kọjú sí bómi báyìí, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni. Episode 1, 2, 3, 5 tó fi dé 8B. 9 máa tún drop ṣìṣàlẹ̀. Mi ò wá rí mú mímọ́ lórí social media ní mo wò pé lẹ́kàn ò ń dá sí family matter. Ok, jẹ́ kí n dá sí eléyìí. Gbogbo wa pátá ti di gbé ìbòrùn níṣẹ́ la sáré káàkiri tí Peter bá tún ṣe drop kìíní yẹn báyìí about 18 minutes 20 minutes mind àwọn attention span wa ti ṣọ́ọ̀tì, but eléyìí kálukú ló jókòó tó ń gbọ́ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ tó ń wo gbogbo kìíní yẹn tó títí lópin. Ká ní pé mo ṣe mọ̀wé ẹ̀ nìyẹn wàláhì tàlá ẹ̀ ọlọ́ọ̀lù mọ̀bí tó bá ti dé lónìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ó jẹ́ ológun ó jẹ́ èmi náà lógún, ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá bọ́rọ̀ lọ. Lẹ́yìn gbogbo àtótónu kan tí ẹ̀sùn tó drop next episode, ìdájọ́ mi rè, mi ò tiẹ̀ tí ì lè ṣèdájọ́, àtúní láti gbọ́ ọmọ. Àwọn episode yẹn tó ń pawọ́ léra wọn yẹn, mo wá wò láti episode 1 títí dé episode 8. Ìgbà yẹn ni mo mọ̀ wípé àṣeyàn ló lè inú ọmọ Ádámù máa jẹun àfi bí kòtò àgbo. Àtúní láti wo páàtì kan o. Búkú owó tí ń bẹ ní ọwọ́ àwọn pípù yẹn ọjọ́ ti pẹ́ o. Elédùmarè $100,000 $3 million wọ́n ti fi ní ọ̀dọ̀ Peter Paul. Ó fẹ́ rí sí lyrics orin kan báyìí tí mi ò mọ̀. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ kì í ṣe giveaway náà yẹn. Ẹ̀kan máa parọ́ fún wa wípé ìràbòjú nínú tráfíìkì ìràfì. Peter Paul ẹ ti pín $3 million láti ìgbà yẹn. Bọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká tún gbé yẹn ṣẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Wọ́n ṣe gẹ̀ẹ́. Peter ó kú rọ́jò. Elédùmarè yóò bá mi pẹ̀tù sínú rẹ̀, yóò bu òróró sí ojú ọgbẹ́ rẹ̀. Ìyà jẹ Peter o, ìyà jẹ Peter. Nítorí wá dún mi jú bẹ́ẹ̀ bí Judas Iscariot yẹn bó ṣe ń fi kọ́nfidó yín sì sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ ń gbòòrò ẹnu ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀run náà. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti bú àǹtí Lọ́lá rí, ẹ jẹ́ lọ apologize sí àǹtí Lọ́lá. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ ti fẹnu bu àtẹnu Lọ́lá rí, kẹ́ ẹ lọ bẹ Lọ́lá. Lọ́lá obìnrin mẹ́sàn-án àtààbọ̀ alọ́ọ̀lì. Oh wow, Peter. Oh no. I rest my case for now.
Go
God have mercy upon us. No. I don't know.
They rob Peter, come won't use the money pay Paul. Ah, olórí burúkú ló pọ̀ ní ìlú yìí o. Ah.
Peter, please. Oh, I better give birth to twins because I don't know what's going on. See, I watched Peter video. Oh, it was all heartbroken. Until the end, when Peter told say when Ian Paul was young, they can't say if they're born, their kids, their sons go bear their names. So when he born Cameron, they bear Cameron also Okoye. But when Paul born, Paul didn't name. Paul no name he became your name. You know what? Me, I be one person will be say, I don't know where una they polish una family dynamics. Our parents are most of the evil thing will happen to us. You people don't understand this, but you will do. Let me explain to you. When they go to P Square, Mama say they're not like this woman, they're not like Lola. What a mother supposed to do is to call everybody and settle everybody. You understand what I mean? So that quarrel not there. I remember when my husband they go out with me, he can't they get serious. The sister will come from Nigeria, can't go they tell the mom everything, go send video to the mama, say, hey, see the girl way our brother they follow, may they not agree, make he marry me. You understand me? My mother-in-law not call everybody, can't talk, say, I hear say my brother they follow this girl, who be this girl? My father-in-law and my mother-in-law called my husband. Who be this girl? My husband said, "My girlfriend." What now they do? My husband say, "Want marry me?" You sure? He say yes. You sure? You want to choose it? They send us videos. They say, "See what should they do for social media?" Now this one you want marry? My husband say, "Don't decide." My father-in-law prayed for my husband. That was it. They never call meeting separately and go and be gossiping and carry my husband out of it. You people do not the scatter family. This is the reason why I will never. My own parents are that type of parents that will say take side the way Peter and Paul mama take side without speaking to Peter first to hear my baby Peter na last born my baby what's here what's going on, putting your feeling aside as a mother, remembering this is your child. I started it early with my children. I know the bit one picking for the other. I don't do it. We have to learn. Many of these trauma where they follow siblings and children, we caused, our parents caused it. We as parents, we don't know now we they cause them. I will never beat my younger daughter for my senior daughter, and I will never scold my first speaking. What we went through together, I'm not sure say me and any picking go through together. I will never. I'll just say sorry. You don't do now. What you don't do? Sorry. I'll pet the two of them. Baby go say, come mama. Baby tell me this slap me. I say, hey, sorry, mommy. You don't do. Call. Na me wrong. No, for na wrong. Na me. I never beat one picking for the other. I never. I go call three of them. Wait till happen. This one go complain. Hey, baby, wait till happen. Hey, baby, stuff for them. Baby, which is just fabricated. But I will listen as a mom and then tell the three of them, say, sorry, we cannot be doing this now. They'll come out. We as parents, we need to learn from young age, from the young age of the children, to never beat one picking for the other. Now in the course of this one. Well, now don't beat one picking for the other, finish. The only thing you have left is help your brother, help your sister. You need to help. You know if you get money, I know help your brother. And that one way get past now in there they drag. You know what? I love the way Peter love his wife. Now that one fed they made me cry before. But the cry no serious. Until when Peter come to say poor betrayer. I lost it. I'm sorry. I lost it. I lost it. I hate family betrayal. I absolutely hate it. It's painful. I know you guys have not been through it, but it's painful. It's painful. Again, one of my brother, I never speak with one of my auntie for the past 5 years. When I do projects for my dad's house, because of my mom that made me do that, I would never do it. My mom's grave was, they say they leak. I don't know what they say, do the sink. Because that's all I can do for my mom. I fix the place. I spend money. I do the place. All of a sudden, see me say, person where my cousin come. My cousin, I in the day in the now my cousin me the same message. Now they pack money, go they give. My auntie we never call for the past 5 years. He call am because of my matter. I tell everyone, hey, see what his sister they do. I felt really bad. Like, why you go narrate me? I have right to send anybody come my father's house to come do whatever. You cannot think because I'm a woman. Dude, you ain't got shit. I feed you and your kids. You ain't got shit. You get what I mean? So why do you think I'll respect? I will never bring myself down because I be a woman or because I be last born. Mark on they do sa they follow people with senior me we not get shit for nyash. You get what I mean? I think because Peter was the last born, he kind of like overly respect the people he was feeding. And I thought it was wrong. I always said this, you people go, they blame me for social media. Easy what? I never take advice from whom I they feed. I will not listen to my father. They will advise you for their pocket and their belly. I will never. None of my siblings, I will yield to their advice. None. I say this all the time. I'm somebody who is vocal. I'm somebody who will not call shit moi moi. Who will not come and tell you, say, peace and meat pie. I will never do it. We need to have self-dignity, self-respect, self-love, self-appreciation. Peter overly respects his brother because he thought he was the baby of the house and he was not respected. The respect was never reciprocated. He kept going. I will never be a second class in my own home. That's why they contribute to. I will never be a second class. Peter overly respects them. He overly take things like, it's okay, it's okay. Not me. I'm sorry, not me. I will not be there. Me I disrespect me. Home and abroad, one. You will not speak to me anyhow. For my father's house and outside my father's house. I know my worth and I know my self-respect. I knew you were never there for me. Now under your nose, they for carry me, traffic me. You will not play God in my life. You will not play God in my life. You never stop my trafficking. You will never, ever have anything to tell me. You will not tell me to stop anything I'm doing until I say stop to myself. And I quit it. It pay me. Peter loved his wife. And in all this part 8, video 1 and 2, I absolutely loved her for her. And I loved her for him. The father, he loved Lola. He served Lola. He worshiped Lola. He adores Lola, the mother of his children. You know what? I'm telling you. It's just like, after everything they tell my mother-in-law, my husband was like, if you not talk finish, mother rest in the enjoy Toto. Toto, they sweet me. I know they have to that they talk. You get what I mean? And yeah. That sister today, I speak to her, but I'm not a fan. You get what I mean? I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. You feel me? And your brother worship me like God. This part 8. I'm sorry.
So I said, Ezege, I also heard what happened to you. I was with Peter a few weeks ago. We were in Sheraton in his room. You know, Coco P was there, Sipak was there. And he told us what Jude and Paul did to him. How Jude and Paul scammed him, took advantage of him, used the money that they got from him to buy mall and building, and they left nothing for him. And while he was sharing this story, he also mentioned your name. That Jude did the same thing to you. That Jude took advantage of you, took over hundreds of thousands of dollars from you, right? He also said that you are the checkmate of his plan. That now that they are taking Jude to court, that you would come and testify against Jude, because you are also angry and upset at Jude because of what Jude did to you. So I now went further to say, Ezege, one thing is this here. I want to give you a special shout out, and I want to say thank you for joining Peter in this fight. Because this fight will go further to expose them and expose the evil in the hearts of men. So shout out to you, Ezege. Nefino looks at me. Nefino said, what are you talking about? I said, Peter told me what happened, how Jude scammed you. He said, Jude scammed me. I said, yeah, Peter told me. He said, when? I said, Peter told me that you and him, you people are in talks. That you people have agreed that Cynthia Morgan is also a witness, and you are a witness in this case for Peter. Because you people are going to expose Jude and how Jude took advantage of you guys and make money off you guys. Right? So he said, VDA. He said, yes. He said, please, can you put Peter on the phone? Let me hear him say this, because I'm confused. Now at this point, when he said this thing, at this point I was feeling like, because Fino is a quiet person, as they said, and he does not like social media talk and all that, I felt like maybe he just wanted to just look for a way to just disco me and go. But then again, this point where he said, can you put Peter on the call? Let me hear him say this, because I am confused. I said this again, I don't think there's need for that, right? If you say that if there's nothing like that, there's no problem. Because me now, I don't want it to be awkward. I don't understand. I don't know if you understand. I don't want it to be awkward. But then he insisted. He said, no, call Peter. I want to hear him say these things. As he kept on insisting, he now said, I haven't spoken with Peter in years. So how come I am going to court? I am a witness in their matter and all that. I've not spoken with him in years. Call him. If he says he has spoken with me, let him say it. I want to hear him say it, because I haven't spoken with Peter in years. At this point, bro, the whole thing just drew me like, wait till they go on here. Coco P was standing there. Coco P said they look like, what's going on here? We dey look ourselves, we dey give ourselves eye like, what did they happen here? He kept on insisting. It's like I said, call him. And I said, bros, there's no need. You understand? He said, well, nobody scammed me, and I'm not going to court for nothing. I don't even know what you're talking about, because I haven't spoken with Peter in years. In years. I haven't spoken with him. Then there's like somebody called him, and then he said, oh, he needs to go now. He now said, very dark man. Very dark man. My always say me stop all this wahala way they do, you know? He just laughed. Then I said, bros, I bet you give me Jude number. He said, VDN, now you be investigative person. Go find Jude number where you won't find him. I beg, leave me. Hey, all this online thing, I beg, Mona leave me. Then he left. Now, this is where I got the red flag of the story. Right? Now, do you know why I'm bringing this Fino's part? It's because when the court case started, I didn't see Fino. Because the court case has started. They don't even reach cross-examination. I was looking out for Fino. Do you understand? I didn't see Fino. And this is where I now finally... It was just recently I believed Fino. Do you understand? Because I was thinking that maybe he just stopped that thing to disco me. But it was recently I found out when they go court cases, they go Fino name, they don't mention him, nothing like that. I can't realize, say, for the witnesses, Fino name no day. I can't realize, come on, something is definitely off somewhere. Sure, you understand? So that means now I can't start to doubt the whole story. But anyways, I'll take you back again, right? I just told you how I confirmed that. It be like, say, now I can't get Jude number. I can't call Jude. I said, bros, I greet you. He said, who is this? I said, this is VDM. He said, VDM, very dark man. I said, yes. He said, wait till happen. This one they call me. I beg you, no drag me. Wait till I do this time. Wait till happen. I said, bros, nothing happen. I just want to see you. He said, you won't just see me. I see me like how? Random like this. I said, bros, not just something where there. I just want to reach out to you. He said, no, where you did? I told him. He said, okay, we meet up. And then we met. So he sat down and I said, bros, good day. He said, wait to him. He said, VDM, what's happened? I said, bros, to be honest, I'll go straight to the point. It's the matter of Cynthia Morgan. I had to use Cynthia Morgan's phone to start it. I said, bro, Cynthia Morgan are from my state. And to be very honest, the girl where don't dare at the top of her game, that girl is supposed to be a very big international brand right now. But I honestly don't like the way everything is going, and the girl is talented. But first things first, the words on the street is that you stopped her from using the name that she's known with. That you were the one that stopped her from using Cynthia Morgan. That was why she changed her name to Madrina. You said, me, Jude. I said, yes. He said, me, stop Cynthia Morgan. When? I said, that's what they are saying. He said, okay, no problem. Jude carried his phone. Take. When he gave me, in the video, Cynthia Morgan was in the car with another guy. And then that was when Cynthia Morgan said, she will no longer be answering Cynthia Morgan. That her new name is Madrina. She and the guy now celebrated the name. He said, very dark man, I did that video. I said, no. He said, you hear me talk for there? He said, no. I call her for phone. He said, no. He said, she changed her name by herself. Now he has been saying this thing for years, but he has not said anything. That she changed her name by herself. Imagine saying that he collected her name. What for? Immediately he showed me that. Now, at this point, first one was the Fino one, when he said Fino is going to come as a witness, and Fino saying, I don't know what you're talking about. Secondly, the story of the Cynthia Morgan, right, collecting her name. He don't debunk that one with evidence. When he did that, at this point, I can't look for waiting to hold on to. And I said, her catalog, Peter said that her catalog got generated. So this is the point where I sleep in Peter now. So Peter said that her catalog got generated hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you are currently in possession. I said, bros, with the way where the girl they go, even if you go carry small, give the girl small. I know see you the vex, you understand? Maybe something happened in the past, you know, now you be the record label owner. He said hundreds of thousands of dollars. I said, yes. He said, from where? Cynthia Morgan. I said, yes. Then just started. He said, if I tell you how much I spent to do music video for Cynthia, that's number one. Cynthia, currently, the agreement on our paper, she has not even fulfilled that. He said, I don't know what happened to that girl along the line. But anyways, talking about this catalog, let me do something for you. Very dark man, I'm willing to give Cynthia the catalog. Cynthia should apologize so that she can be earning the hundreds of thousands of dollars. I will give it to her. I've held on this catalog for a long time, right? But I think it's now finally time to let it go. Now when you deal with me, now when you deal with me like this for my phone, I will give you the catalog. But you could call Cynthia. Cynthia should make an apology because what she said about me are lies, right? Now, at this point, I didn't like that Cynthia should apologize. He now said, you know what? Vivian, I'm going to hand over the catalog to you. I know you have access to a lot of CEOs in the music scene. And you like evidence, Abby? He said, yes. So I'll give you the catalog. You take it to any music exec of your choice. You give it to them. They'll bring an auditor. They'll look at the back end. They'll tell you how much Cynthia Morgan music and catalog have been able to make. If it has made hundreds of thousands of dollars, go online, cast me, and I'll pay all the money to Cynthia Morgan. That's a very big one to test people like me because I like evidence. So when he said that, I said, okay, no, well, I'm going to talk to Cynthia Morgan. But if what you are telling me and what I'm saying is true, then what Cynthia did, I don't think is right. So I will reach out to her and ask her, say, Jude wants an apology and blah, blah, blah. So he said, first, I can give you the catalog now. I said, no, don't worry.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.